Understanding Sidebar, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a really interesting topic to discuss, and it is the phrase, sidebar. We hear this term in various contexts, but what does it actually mean? Stay tuned as we explore the different meanings and usages of sidebar in English. Whether you are an English learner or just someone looking to expand your vocabulary, this video is for you. So, let's start with the basics. The term sidebar originally comes from legal and journalistic contexts. In legal context, in a courtroom, a sidebar refers to a private conversation between the judge and the lawyers, usually at the side of the judge's bench. This is done so that the jury and the public cannot hear what is being discussed. It's usually about points of law or procedural matters. In journalism, a sidebar is a short story or graphic accompanying a larger story, providing additional information or commentary. Over time, the use of sidebar has broadened and it's now commonly used in everyday conversation. Informal setting. In an informal setting, when someone says, "Can we have a sidebar?" they are usually asking for a private conversation with someone, away from the group. It's like saying, "Can we talk in private for a moment?" Work setting. In a work setting, a sidebar can refer to a brief, informal meeting between colleagues to discuss a specific topic without the need for a formal meeting. Let's go through some examples to understand how to use sidebar in a sentence. 1. During the trial, the defense attorney requested a sidebar to discuss a matter with the judge. 2. The article was very informative, and the sidebar provided interesting historical context. 3. Can we have a quick sidebar? I need to discuss something with you privately. And there you have it, a comprehensive look at the term sidebar. We've covered its origins, its different usages in various contexts, and how to use it in a sentence. I hope this video has helped clarify what sidebar means and how you can use it in your own conversations. Don't forget to practice, and soon, you'll be using sidebar like a pro. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.